LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber comes with 7 replaceable brush heads, an adjustable extension handle, and a rechargeable cord. I had some rubber backing that came off of a throw rug that I had in a bathroom, and spots of it really stuck on the tile. So I made that my priority when using the spin scrubber for the first time. I had some trouble with it stopping the spin, which turned out to be because I hadn't pushed one end of the extension handle in far enough to lock it in securely. So when it slipped down, the spin stopped. When I discovered what was wrong and pushed the handle in until it clicked, everything worked fine. I used the large flat brush, and the rubber spots that had been stuck onto the tile came off. Here's the finished floor. It's beautiful. No more rubber sticking to the floor. The next project was a shower that had discolored grout where the floor met the wall. I used the small dome-shaped brush to get into the space, and it worked great. I went over it several times to be sure that I was getting all of the discoloration off. So it took a few minutes. But here is the grout after it dried. It is white, no more discoloration. Then I changed to the large flat brush to clean this bathroom floor, and it worked great. The brushes are easy to pull off and replace, and I was able to put a lot of pressure when needed without affecting the spinning. I want to thank LABIGO for sending me this product to try out so that I could make this video to show everyone how it works. I found the scrubber easy to use and comfortable to operate. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to try one for yourself, just click on the link below.